Where's your money going? It's a simple question, but which app will actually help you answer it? I analyzed all the most popular budgeting apps for you to find the top 5, and we're going to go through those now. To get on my list, they'd have at least 5,000 reviews and 4.5 stars, as well as having certain key features across the board. The first one up is Simplifi by Quicken, and Simplifi I would say is the king of predictive budgeting. While most apps tell you what happened in the past, Simplifi is going to show you what's coming up. And it does this through its spending plan tool. This is a dynamic tool that helps you pull projected income and then subtracts all your must-paid bills as well as your savings goals. And this will give you a real-time available to spend number. Its key features are its custom watch list, and this is a game changer for convenience. Instead of micromanaging a 20 category budget, you can just set a watch list for certain things you overspend on. And that could be like dining out or Amazon. And it'll track those specific categories and let you know if you're trending too high in that month of spending. Unlike its competitors, Simplifi includes a high-level retirement planner that tracks all your data in real time. It'll sync with your investment accounts, and it'll show you whether or not you're on track for your future goals. It also projects your balances weeks in advance, so you'll never run across a surprise, oh, I have $0 in my account. The cons are with that is though, with a lot of banks and investment sites that use multi-factor, like using your cell phone to get that code, it has problems with them. As well as it's very rigid with its categorization, as well as its renaming. It's not very custom with those things. And as well as there's no free trial. So the reason why I do like it and recommend it is I would say if you're somebody who wants the maximum amount of insight with the lowest amount of effort, this one's for you. It's very automated. It's clean and significantly more affordable than the other premium apps I'm going to mention. Simply saying, if you want a set it and forget it system that handles all your investments and long-term planning, I would say Simplifi is definitely the best value for your money. You can use my link down in the description, shave off 50% your first year, so it drops the $72 price on premium down to $36. So about $3 per month. Now I mentioned earlier that all of these apps have to have certain key features to be on my list. Well, what they are is all the apps have to have automatic account syncing to your bank, credit, and investment accounts, reoccurring and splitting of transactions. They have to be able to track your net worth and goals, as well as the ability to collaborate with others on your budget, like a partner, spouse, etc. The next app up is Rocket Money, and I find this one to be the ultimate optimizer. While the other apps help you track your money, Rocket Money actively gets you your money back. And they do this through their subscription concierge service. This means they'll scan all of your accounts for forgotten subscriptions like Netflix, etc. And their team will actually reach out to that subscription and cancel it on your behalf if you wanted to. It's not perfect though. They can't call all subscription services on their own. Sometimes you have to be involved. Bill negotiation is their next amazing feature. This one's even better. They'll even call your billers, such as your cell phone, internet provider, etc., and negotiate a lower rate on your behalf. They claim they've saved over 10 million plus users over $2.5 billion with a B. Just read the fine print though. And the reason why is their biggest con is they'll keep 20 to 60% of those savings for only the first year of that negotiated down bill. They do claim the average user saved about $20 per month though. I'd say it's pretty good. And that's why I like it. It's pretty much the only app on this list, even though they're all amazing, that'll pay for itself. So how much do those amazing features actually cost you? Nothing. Their basic plan, which is free, comes with those features. However, the premium plan will unlock the other necessary features every app should have. And that is automatically syncing to your bank account, your investment funds, etc. And that makes budgeting so much easier. So I highly recommend using my link down in the description to get a free trial, their premium plan. Moving on to our third app, if you struggle with impulse buys, PocketGuard is the simplest one for you. It's gonna help you stay on track by cutting through all the noise and give you a vital number that's called what's in my pocket. Literally how much money you have to spend. They really are the protector of your pocket. They do this through their leftover feature, which tells you exactly how much cash you have left for the day or week, whatever you set up, after bills and expenses have been paid. It also includes a debt payoff planner that calculates the most efficient way to pay down your loans, whether that's using the snowball method or the avalanche method. I'd also say PocketGuard is like an F1 team that's focusing on speed and convenience. It's one of the only few apps that is fully compatible with the Apple Watch, and it allows you to check your daily spending limit. What I didn't like about it though is its interface is less comprehensive for long-term planning. They're really about the here and now. That means it lacks a deep investment analysis and net worth projections. What I enjoyed about it is they really stay true to their target users that need to check their available funds frequently to make decisions in seconds. That's why the Apple Watch feature is just so valuable. With a quick glance, you'll know if you can afford something right there, right then. So can you afford this app? Well, there's no free version, but in my description, you get a 7-day free trial if you use my link. While you're down there clicking around, also feel free to like and subscribe because it helps YouTube know that my videos are valuable and they'll recommend them to other people. So thanks. Our next app to review is Copilot Money, and I would actually say this is the smartest one out of all the apps on my list. And the reason why is they have a proprietary AI engine that learns your spending habits automatically. This means it's automatically going to categorize your transactions with near perfect accuracy. It's not a BS kind of AI. It's really legit. This AI can also predict future bills by analyzing your past one, then it'll add them to your future budget before they even occur. This is especially helpful if you have like spikes in the summer for electricity. It'll remember that for the following year. And lastly, to differentiate itself from other apps, it's really designed beautifully and intuitively, just like Apple. I would say it looks and functions as it came default on your iPhone or Mac. Oh, and it's way smarter than Siri. The problem with that is though, they have an Apple first mentality, which means there's no Android version and they only launched a web version in 2026. But if you have an Apple device, you can use it for free for 2 whole months when you sign up using my code. Moving on, let's talk about how Monarch Money is an all-in-one powerhouse. It actually makes you happy about checking your finances because it's so fun. It's subjective, but I liked it. It was actually built by the original product lead of Mint, rest in peace, that specifically was designed to keep the spirit of Mint alive as well as improve upon what people liked about it. And what people like the best about Monarch Money is its sharing capabilities. You can collaborate on your budget with your spouse, a financial planner, whoever you want, and they all get their own logins. You and your spouse can view both your individual and joint finances all under one subscription, as well as label things like mine, yours, and ours. Couples and the like really like that feature, but this next one, their most popular one, is the Sankey diagrams. These things are beautiful, colorful, and easy to read flowcharts that shows you how your money flows from your income to your expenses. Not only is their Sankey diagram a great report, all their reports, I would say, are unmatched in detail and customization over all the other apps. And speaking of customization, almost everything is fully customizable, from the categories to the layout and your dashboard. That's great because not only do they want you to be in control of your budget, they want you to be in control and comfortable using your budget planner. However, that's going to come with an issue. Great power comes with great responsibility. The more you customize things, the more complicated you're probably going to make it, and you actually might feel overwhelmed and actually quit the app. So try to keep things simple. With that said though, I think this is the #1 best app because it's great for power users and teams and beginners who want the most polished, customized experience on the market. It's currently the fan favorite of all budgeting apps and the one I used most. You can get 50% off your annual subscription by using my link down in the description, and I think it comes with also 7 days free trial for the premium version. And instead of costing $100 a month, $100 a year, it's going to drop that down to only $50 for the full year, and that's like $4 a month. So very, very cheap. As a bonus, I want to tell you about WalletHub, which is a great app. It has about 4.8 stars with thousands, I can't remember how many, but thousands and thousands of reviews. However, it does have a lot of great budgeting features. It lists on their website their competitors as Credit Karma and other credit apps. So I don't think it was fair to compare it directly with other apps that are specifically for budgeting. It's kind of like NerdWallet, where it has a lot of stuff like the whole kitchen sink type thing. As you can see, it comes with budgeting, credit monitoring and building, debt payoff, bank and loan offers, as well as investment and retirement tracking. The details of those features are, it has a free daily credit monitoring, which is included on their free version, and that'll show you your TransUnion Vantage score every 24 hours. Their best feature is the wallet score, and that basically is going to tell you how financially healthy you are. And that's going to do it based on your debt to income ratio, as well as including your emergency savings and credit usage. WalletHub is also in the subscription management club. They have a spending trimmer, and it uses AI, or just an algorithm, to scan all your transactions looking for subscriptions and price hikes in your recurring bills. But best of all, everything I just mentioned is in their free version. So what's not good about it? Well, I didn't like how when you sign up for it, it wants a lot of PII, so your name, your address, your phone number, right off the bat. I'd rather get into it more and use it before it asks me all those intimate details. Also, because this app is free and it's more credit-based, you're gonna see a lot of frequent recommendations for credit cards and loans. This app is a must-have for credit builders and deal hunters. I also have a link in my description for this one that gives you 50% off premium for the entire year. Okay, these were the best-in-class apps that come with a premium price. This video here is gonna walk you through ones that are 100% free or very, very low cost that aren't as feature-rich, but they may have exactly what you're looking for. And lastly, this one here goes through all apps, about 20 of them, and ranks them in different tiers, and includes the one that's called You Need a Budget, which a lot of people like. However, it's very complicated to use. All right, subscribe for my next one. Remember to like this one. Best of luck.